How do we control fish smells in barbecue business? Number one, don't go nowhere. Stick to and watch this video to the end and learn all the tips on how to control the fish smells. Handle fish properly. That's number one. Handle fish properly from the start. Buy fresh fish, because fresh fish is equals to less odor. Buy from reportable suppliers and check for signs of freshness. Clear eyes, red gills, firm flesh, no ammonia smells. Store correctly. Keep fish cold at all time, just above freezing, ideally on crushed ice. Store seafood separately from other meat and avoid cross-contamination and odor. Number two, preps area control. Use a dedicated preps area. Prepare fish in a designated space with good ventilation. Use non-porous cutting board and surface for easier cleaning and no odor absorption. Vinegar or citrus wash. Clean preps area with vinegar or lemon juice. Both help neutralize odor. A quick lemon rinse on fish can also help reduce their smells. Number three, make sure you watch this video to the end, please. Grill management. Clean your grill frequently. Fish oil burn and leave strong residue. Clean grill grater after each batch. Use a wired brush and vinegar spray when the grill is still warm. Designate equipment. If possible, use separate grill section or pan for fish and meat to avoid lingering smells. Number four, ventilation and airflow. Individual ventilation. Invest in high quality exhaust fans and hood to pull out smoky and fishy air fast. Place fans strategically near grilling station to keep airflow moving. Outdoor neutralizers. Use carbon filter in your HVAC system or air purifiers in enclosed area. Avoid artificial air freshener that mix with food smells. Go for neutralizing product. Waste management. Prompt disposals. Dispose of fish scrap immediately. Keep waste bin sealed tightly always. Clean bin regularly. Wash bin with bleach, vinegar or baking soda to prevent smells. Number six, front of house tip. Scent strategy. Use subtle natural scent like lemon, charcoal or wood smoke to create a pleasant barbecue aroma. Consider placing buoys of vinegar or baking soda directly to absorb odor in keys area. Layout design. Separate cooking and dining area, especially with grilling fish. Outdoor or semi-open barbecue setup help dispose strongly smells move easily. Bonus tips. Staff training. Teach your staff properly on how to handle and clean up protocols to reduce odor source at every step. Thanks for watching this video and watch to the end, and also drop your questions and also watch my next video. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Cheers.